First step is to back up your PlayStation 4. Plug in your external hard disk or SSD and make sure it is bigger capacity than whatever you are trying to back up. And then go into the system settings and select whichever program applications, save data, captures, or even themes you want to back up into the system. My tips here is to select whichever important data you want to back up, because the bigger the backup file it will take longer time to create the backup file, and of course the restoration process will take some time as well. Now you can start to swap your SSD. The HDD I'm using is a 500GB of the original hard disk drive, and I'm upgrading to a 1TB SSD, which will definitely improve my game loading time. Just place it back into the system, and then you can start with the installation of the PlayStation system. Now from here, you will need to go to PlayStation.com to download the PlayStation console reinstallation file. Just follow the instructions to prepare the USB thumb drive and save the update file into the appropriate folder. And then plug in the USB thumb drive into the PS4 and hold the power button for 7 seconds to start the reinstallation process. The installation process will take some time, but once it is done, you just need to reinitialize your PS4 system. After you're done with the initialization, you just need to plug in your external hard disk drive with the backup file, go into the systems and select restore. From here, you just need to select the backup file you have created previously, and it will start the restoration process. Like I said just now, if your backup files is bigger, it will take a longer time to restore. That's it for our quick tutorial on how to upgrade your PS4 hard disk drive to SSD. If you have any questions, you can always leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.